Hi student, நம்ம class 10 maths சமச்சீர்ல chapter 1ல exercise wise important questions பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். இந்த வீடியோல exercise 1.4 ஓட important questions பார்க்கலாமா? First one, determine whether the graph given below represent functions. Give reason. Let f from a to b be a function defined by f of x equal to x by 2 minus 1 where a equal to 2, 4, 6, 10, 12, b equal to 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 9 represent f by நமக்கு 4 subdivision கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. A set of ordered pair நம்ம find out பண்ணோம். A tableல represent பண்ணோம் and arrow diagramல represent பண்ணோம். Then make a graph. Okay. Next one. Represent the function f of ஒரு function கொடுத்திருக்காங்க through an arrow diagram, table form, graph. இந்த function நம்ம இந்த represent arrowல பண்ணனும், tableல பண்ணனும், graphல represent பண்ணனும். That's it. Next. Fourth question. Show that the function f from n to n defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 1 is 1, 1 but not on 2. Show that the function f from n to n defined by f of m equal to m square plus m plus 3 is 1 to 1 function. Let a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and b equal to n. Let f from a to b be defined by f of x equal to x cubed. Then find the range of f. Identify the type of function. Okay, இது ஒரு important 5 mark question. Next question also important 5 mark question. In each of the following cases, state whether the given functions are bijective or not. Two subdivision. First one, f from r to r defined by f of x equal to 2x plus 1. F from r to r defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x square. Okay. Next one, 8th question from exercise 1.4. Let a ஒரு set and b another set if the function f from a to b defined by f of x equal to ax plus b is an onto function. Find a and b. It is important 2 mark question. Very very important. Okay. If the function f is defined by f of x equal to multiple function கொடுத்திருக்காங்க x plus 2 if x greater than 1, 2 if minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, x minus 1 if minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Okay. Find the value of f of x, f of 3, f of 0, f of minus 1.5, then f of 2 plus f of minus 2. This is important 5 mark question. Okay. Next one. A function f from minus 5, 9 to r is defined as following. F of x equal to multiple function. 3 function. இந்த function இருக்கணும்னா இந்த condition. இந்த functionனா இந்த condition. This function means we should use this condition. Okay, find f of minus 3 plus f of 2, f of 7 minus f of 1, 2 of f of 4 plus f of 3. Final one is 2 into f of minus 2 minus f of 6 divided by f of 4 plus f of minus 2. இது important 5 mark question. நிறைய question paperல repeated கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இந்த sums எல்லாம் நம்ம வீடியோலயே சால்வ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். நம்ம சேனல்ல இருக்கு, நீங்க கண்டிப்பா செக் அவுட் பண்ணி பாருங்க. Okay, thank you student.